Colorful, flavorful entree bowls are a delicious trend. The grapes in this Moroccan grape and grilled chicken bowl make a cooling, crisp, and bright contrast to the spicy Moroccan flavors. Combine the prepared couscous with carrots, diced grapes, parsley leaves, ras al hanout, and salt. Mix well and set aside while we get started on our chicken. Mix the spicy harissa paste, olive oil, and salt in a bowl and coat the chicken breasts. Grill on both sides until just done. Set these aside to cool and then cut into 1/4-inch slices. Now let's make the vinaigrette. Place green California grapes, lemon juice, preserved lemon, extra virgin olive oil, and cilantro in a blender and puree until smooth. Next, we're going to put our bowl together. Toss the couscous and grape salad ingredients together with the vinaigrette and portion into your bowl. To finish, top the bowl with the sliced chicken, toasted almonds, and red grapes. This Moroccan grape and grilled chicken bowl with preserved lemon and green grape vinaigrette is delicious hot or cold, or served for lunch or dinner. Enjoy! Find this recipe and more on ciaprochef.com/grapes.